Alright.
Alright,
Can you just
good.
tell my story?
Tell your story.
Starting my career at Liberty Mutual, had just gotten financially stable after 2 years of divorce. My whole goal was to try to make as much money as possible, but also simplify my life. It was a struggle. It was a new industry. Every time I would try to do something like online, it would get shut down. Every time I tried something new, it would get shut down. And it was getting really frustrating. I saw that other guys were like doing so well. I was thinking to myself, like, what's the difference between this guy and me? I can't deal with all of the rules and regulations. I knew I had to do something different. So I made it my mission that I'm gonna learn how to generate my own leads and close those leads. I spent a ton of money going to seminars, hiring coaches. I probably spent over $100,000 just on testing insurance ads. I was literally starting the business at probably the worst time that I could. I had asked my wife to marry me. Not only that, but I have a daughter that was also gonna start college. It was just me for, I believe it was the first 8 months. After a lot of testing and trials and trying different things, I started generating my own leads. I started closing deals. After a while, I had to tell my wife, hey, I need help at the agency. You know, it's hard to convince somebody that's making 6 figures with the pension, 401k, to come and work for an agency and not get paid. Have her see the vision of what we can build together. That was probably my toughest sell ever.
I actually applied for a different job. I was terrified of both of us not having a steady income. So I actually went on an interview. I was just gonna get out of insurance, period. Fortunately, now looking back, I didn't get the job, which I was so upset about.
I actually prayed that you would not get the job so
Yeah.
you can come work with me. The time that she came work for me, we literally double, tripled our production like the next month. Me and my wife together, we averaged over 100,000 in premium every single month for a year.
We had a lot on our plates from just working together after just getting married, trying to find a balance. It was definitely a struggle at first, but I think we figured out how to work together. We understand that we're partners in, you know, personal, business, everything. Trying to grow our team, bringing on new people, we had to realize that every time we brought someone new on, we were gonna take a few steps back.
Our first Christmas party that we ever had, it was just me and her. And now, this year's Christmas party, we're gonna have over 12 people plus their spouses on there. That's how much we've grown in the past year. I talk about that when I first started Liberty Mutual, I wanted to simplify my life. Now I'm married, I live in the suburbs, I'm having a new baby, and my daughter's in college. So things definitely have changed since when I first started in the insurance industry.